Okay, get ready for standing warm-ups. Let's start now. Okay, everyone keep your legs apart. Now inhale and exhale like this. Now alternate like this. Up, down, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lift up both legs like this. Lift the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now little lift your knee up. Then wrist heel rotation like this. Foot rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change. 1, another leg clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now slowly lift the heel up, knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now interlock your both hands. Keep your legs apart. Now take a deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More 10 gods. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now same. Alternative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now stretch your both legs. Swing your body forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then alternative toe touch, everyone. Alternative toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, don't give up, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Just relax, everyone. Now hip rotation. 1, clockwise 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then do side bumps, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then change another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now full hand rotation, everyone. Little fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good morning, Malesh Garu. Okay, next we are going to Trikonasana. 1, Trikonasana, staying position. 2, 3, 4, bottom bar stretch and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Body forward avvadu. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax. Relax. Just tap your legs. Stay here. Relax. Okay, now stretch your both legs. Keep your right leg toes outside. Okay, now slowly bend your right knee. Keep your body middle. Then stretch like this. More stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Rajana body straight చేయండి. 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep your hand down. సేమ్ పొజిషన్లో ఇలా ఇలా వెనకాల తీసుకోండి. కింద నుంచి హ్యాండ్ తీసి ఇలా చేయి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then change other side. One, 2, 3. Now posture 1. Just stretch your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Then change. Keep your hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Then slowly up. Now both legs together. Interlock your fingers. Take a deep inhale. Then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. బాడీ ఇలా ముందుకు బెండ్ అవ్వద్దు. రెండు చేతులు కూడా మీ చెవులకు టచ్ అవుతూ పక్కకి రావాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4. వెరీ గుడ్. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are going to chair posture. నీస్ మధ్య కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఉంచాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then slowly up and down.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.